Hi there, I'm Todd Whited and I'm the general manager for MagTorch, and I just want to share with you today a little bit about some of our general flame profiles. Our very first one I'm going to show you is our precision flame on one of our butane torches, and you can see here it's a very tight precision flame, 2 cones, primary flames in the center. It's the brighter blue, great for when you're doing pre-tinning of wire or any other circuit board work, or even preheating a thermocoupling to your hot water tank. The next flame I'm going to show you is our pencil point flame, which is featured on our brass torch, which is a manual lit torch. But you can see here, a very tight flame here, again here, a little bit stronger, a little bit more robust than our precision flame. Great for general applications of heating, great for lighting your fireplace, lighting your chimenea, some light general solder work would be great for this torch. Stepping up from that, we step into our self-lighting style torches. This particular one has a web flame, which is 3 points that converge into 1. From this type of flame, the flame converges into this one single point. That's where you want to do your soft solder work. Great for small little jobs like a 1/2 inch soft solder type work, or for general lighting purposes. You can see the strong 3 points coming into 1, creating a strong flame for your work that you need to do with our MagTorch. The last flame is our Swirl Flame. Very large flame, a little bit louder, so I'll speak up a little bit more. But this flame actually spins. It has a small helix in the center of the flame diverter that actually wraps your flame around your workplace. Great for doing soft solder work, reduces hot spots, creates clean joints that are fast and repeatable. That's our MagTorch Swirl Flame. For more information, please visit us on magtorch.com.